Hello, welcome to Shop Talk. We're looking at a vintage Mahle chainsaw. It does run. It will need some work if you go to restore this one. It is a running motor. Comes with a bar and chain, approximately a 24-inch bar and chain. And we'll take a close look at it. Trigger right here. This lever here trips the pivot on the bar, so you can rotate that bar. That's so you don't have to turn the saw over when you're falling a tree. And it's got some defects in it. Missing the muffler. Welded here. Got some weld marks on it. But if you're restoring one of these and you need a running motor, this is a good runner. We'll have to do some tinkering on the carburetor. But just a nice vintage old Mahle.